Registration exceptions. Article 15. 1. The authority may accept a taxable person from mandatory tax registration upon his request if his supplies are only subject to the zero rate. 2. Anyone accepted from tax registration according to Clause 1 of this article shall inform the authority of any changes to his business that would make him subject to tax under this decree law pursuant to the time limits and procedures determined in the executive regulation of this decree law. 3. The authority shall have the right to collect any due tax and administrative penalties for the period of exception where that taxable person was not entitled to the exception. Tax registration of governmental bodies. Article 16. Government entities which shall be determined in a cabinet decision issued under Clause 2 of Article 10 of this decree law, shall apply for tax registration and may not be deregistered unless by a cabinet decision at the suggestion of the minister. Voluntary registration. Article 17. Any person who is not obligated to apply for tax registration according to this chapter may apply for tax registration in the following cases. 1. If he proves at the end of any given month that the total value of supplies referred to in Article 19 of this decree law or the expenses which are subject to tax and were incurred during the previous 12-month period has exceeded the voluntary registration threshold. 2. At any time that he anticipates that the total value of supplies stipulated in Article 19 of this decree law or the expenses which are subject to tax that will be incurred will exceed the voluntary registration threshold during the coming 30-day period.